welcome to the show. Today we'll visit the deepest pool in the world. Also, we have great news for TikTok users, especially TikTokers. With a staggering depth of 60 meters, the pool, part of the new Deep Dive Dubai attraction, has stolen the record from Poland's Deep Spot, which has a depth of over 45 meters. The Deep Dive Dubai pool is filled with 14 million liters of fresh water. The volume of 6 Olympic-sized swimming pools is at least 4 times bigger than any other diving pool in the world. The biggest star of Deep Dive Dubai is arguably the pool's underwater city. Divers can explore abandoned sunken city apartments and play underwater in the pool's arcade. State-of-the-art lighting and sound systems have been fitted inside the pool to create different atmospheres. Guinness awarded it the deepest swimming pool for diving title. Are you excited to do this unique experience? And now, let us move to social media news to check what is happening behind our phone screens. TikTok has been experimenting with letting creators around the world post videos up to 3 minutes long and is now extending the option for all users in the upcoming weeks. I'm sure everyone has come across a story on TikTok that extends over multiple videos by now. Sometimes the story or tutorial doesn't even have that much left for part 2, but the current 30 seconds to 1 minute format forces creators to get creative with their content. With the longer format becoming available for all users in the upcoming weeks, they no longer have to worry about condensing longer stories or chopping them up into multiple videos. Users will be notified when the 3-minute option has been added to their toolbox. Today's episode is over. See you next week with more exciting news.